Welcome everyone. Hey, good morning guys. Good morning everyone. How are you doing, Chad? Good evening and good afternoon. Happy December times. Great to see you. Great to see you. Wow, what a lovely times out there. How are you doing? Getting ready for the markets, getting ready for a pretty exciting month. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to let your friends know about. Have an interesting situation out there in the markets. How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Let me just share this one with all the community members pretty much everywhere, guys, as usually. Attacking the groups out there. And continuing our journey. Are you guys ready for a, as I said, very exciting month? Good evening out there. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and sign up for the 3 giveaways we've got for today. Like the video. And let's go for the best numbers out there. We are live. So we have the last day for IRM. It's the last day of Black Friday. Last day today, guys. For the IRM, it's the last day of Black Friday promotion. Let me just quickly attach you the links and all that stuff. It's the last day of promotion. I'm gonna get started and push some nice trades around the platform. It's the last day out there for the IRM. I'm gonna get started with a 50k account. Looking into the 15 minutes as well. We had a pretty strong retracement from today's high to today's low. So the range for the Monday is significant, guys. Certainly crossing 350 points. Think about. And this is all happening on Asia. 350 points volatility, guys, for the Asia is opening for the doors for some huge movements out there in the swing sector. So careful with the sizing. Certainly you want to cut all your positions by half than usual. We have for the moment a double bottom here with a good initial reaction of an engulfing. We have to deal with certain levels. Pretty strong flat resistance there on 333. But I think the last week's high, the 500s, is we went there pretty quickly from the opening. Taking liquidity above, but we didn't close above last week's high of the 500s. And then certainly just, retraced all the way into 193. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We're going to trade our IRM, Lucid Trading, Top 1 Futures, and Ticktick Trader. Right, so we're going to trade pretty much everything, including the Savius accounts. We need to find acceptance. 335, 340s is quite interesting, but we should find acceptance above 270s, right? 266, 270s, acceptance above that level, we have the ability to reconstruct the pressure against that 340s resistance today. It's not going to be an easy momentum here, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Certainly, we're pushing for a very strong month. I wish you all the best, guys. Stick with me. We're going to have the best discounts, the best giveaways, and the best trading experience. Enjoy your green tea out there from a Ticktick Trader Cup. Hello, great to see you guys. Nice to have you on board. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. Double rejections on the 5 minute. Certainly not looking that promising. There is some nice liquidity back below the 40s. Yet I think that I still have to wait a little more. Certainly. You will certainly pass it. Come on. Just stick to the discipline and careful with the risks. Don't gamble your accounts, guys. Very important. It doesn't matter how cheap or expensive it is. Do not gamble your accounts. It's not cheap for you to gamble it. Right, so that's something that a lot should learn from. That's not the reason why it's cheap for you to gamble it away. Usually the behavior for the cheap accounts is to pretty much throw them away. Nah, certainly disagree with that. Yeah, it's an interesting level here. If we get an initial reaction, we'll see. I'll utilize my stop loss below where we had to open our long. We're gonna put a stop loss right there. I'll take that 120 bucks loss if that's the case. Otherwise, we're gonna let this one run a little bit higher, adding more to this, 2 contracts. Got into a little long here. I'm actually selling a contract. I accepted 90 bucks loss. $230 totally. We got the stop loss hit. Certainly not a problem. Yeah. But that 1 minute reaction we had earlier there gave nothing. Good morning. Bad habits build up, and that's why I only use micros. Good job, Sebastian. Micros are the key for that. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome, guys. 125K for the giveaway. Make sure to sign up. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Look at that. And they're pushing it back right now. So there is a pretty good reaction coming in. A pretty good reaction coming in on the 235, 240s. Adding to my Ticktick trader.
Order filled.
We're copy trading the 5 accounts from Ticktick.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
For some reason here, we were actually trading the micros on Ticktick. For some reason on Ticktick, we were trading the micros, but that's a good initial reaction. I've quickly DC'd into 21 micros. It's fine over here as well. Stop loss and break even. Just a little more into the 50s for our Ticktick trader target to be hit. Come on. Let's go, guys. Just a little more.
Order filled.
There you go. $599.80. We need to do 20 cents more. And I'm going to get out from here as well. We've fully recovered the loss from here too. So that was a successful trade. Let me do 20 cents more and we start celebrating, guys. Let me do 20 cents more.
Order filled.
I've got into my long.
Order filled.
We've lost 20 cents.
Order filled.
Come on. $1. That's what we need, guys. A single dollar.
Order filled.
And the target has been hit. We're more than $500. Celebration time starts. First targets on Ticktick Trader have been hit today, guys. First targets for December have been hit on 5 accounts. Ooh, celebrations out there. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. That's a great way to start off. That's a really good way to start off. Let me share with you what's happening behind the doors. $500 here for December. Obviously, it's the first trade and the first day. But we already have 3 points. 3 points collected in this cycle from the previous month, including today. That's actually 4 points, right? We need 3 more points and we're taking out another $10,000. We've been cashing out in the previous cycle here. And now we're going for the next 7 points needed. Look at that one, guys. Looks really good out there. Yeah. Getting into my long here for a stronger push. 2 contracts. $253. Come on. Let's go, guys. Stop loss and break even. You only have to do $150 in your funded accounts. More than 60 grand. 60, 65, something around that. Let's go, guys. Come on. I'm out here. 185. Congratulations. That's it, guys. Celebration time. I don't need more. And you know why? Because 150 is the target. 185. That's enough, guys. Boom. Right there. I'm not pushing it. I'm not pushing it. And let me share with you why. On this 50K account, table, these are the days with the net P&L that we've got. Look at that. These are the days of the net P&L we've got. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video. So we've got 5 days. 5 more will be needed. And we will be able to request a payout. Right, we have pushed on Friday, 775. We've made and accumulated with that. We only need $150 per day. That's the target for 10 days on the IRM. What do you mean by midnight, a new day? Not just base hits, because we made 775 on Friday. Our second day and third day was a little more. 775 on Friday was actually giving me some nice profits. We have in the account right now 51,775. That's how much we have. So assuming if I make another $200 for the next 5 days, only $500 per day for the next 5 days, we're gonna make another 1,000. I'll have 52,775, and that's gonna be enough for me to take my payout from here. And this is an account from an evaluation stage, which is $34 or so. I'll take 1,350. From $34, taking 1,350 is huge, guys. 10 days is not much, and I'll tell you why. Because you don't have a payout target, right? So you don't need to make a specific 5, 6, 7% for you to request a payout. You only need to respect this 10 days and, of course, the 20% consistency. But then you can also consider making the minimum during the days you think you've got to the necessarily target, and you're fine with that, right? You know, in 5 days, it's not possible to have this prices and to have this condition. So if they go down to 5 days or 8 days, they will have to increase a lot of the things, and people will not like that. You know, the IRM right now with my coupon code is what is it? I mean, it's $37 with my code, something like that, and you get 1,350. You're cashing out 1,500, and it's 90-10 split on the entire platform. So let me just connect the other accounts too. The instant funded accounts we have with them, 2 accounts, because you can have 3 funded. And just activate my trade copier. Right, there is a integrated trade copier right there. Trade copier, it's turned on. You want to create your trade copier and then just start it from here. Exactly. Good job, Purple Ninjas. Good job. It's very important. Even if you guys use this 50K accounts to fund your instant funding, think about. If you use this 50K challenges to fund your instant funding journey, it's very important, because the instant funded journey right now is basically running on $450 with my code. And that's the place you can do copy trading on 3 accounts, of course, and go for big payouts. You're funded from the beginning. If you're having a journey to fund your instant funding accounts with this ones, I think you're gonna have a great time. Alright, so the trade copier has been set up. The 5 minute is clearly showing support on 237, probably going for the 266. Thinking about it. Yes, at least $150 a day for 10 days. Exactly, guys. Black Friday promotion for the IRM ends today. It ends today, the Black Friday promotion. So we got to the target on Ticktick. Pretty happy about that one too. And I'm looking forward to trading my Lucid. Lucid 3 instant funded. We've made 1,000 on Friday, I think. 1,800. Wow, we made a full profit on Friday. On 3 accounts copy trading the Lucid 150K. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got back to the 260s here. How do you guys enjoy the Lucid Flex accounts? New product out there for the Lucid Flex accounts. So many people enjoying it. No consistency, no payout target unfunded. Lucid Flex is having no consistency, no payout target unfunded. From what I've seen, people enjoy the 50k, 78 bucks, no activation fee, no daily loss limit. The 50k and the 150k. These are the accounts people enjoy. Thank you. Welcome, buddy. No idea. YouTube is not always sending out notifications for some reason. No idea. I think we should collect here at least 10 more points.
Order filled.
Getting through 3 minis long. I'm doing the same here as well. On my 150k copy traded. Oh. It's a pretty strong rejection. Thinking about getting to that 267.
Order filled.
Before we take it to the other way. I'll have to cut it away. What an aggressive sell-off here. We're not receiving acceptance above 255. Let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see, because that's not that simple.
Order filled. Order filled.
Take profit on 945 bucks here. What a weird
Order
price
filled.
action. Look at that.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to put a stop loss right below this 2 wicks. Right below 49. And I'll take the 1,200 loss here on Lucid if that's the case. We're nicely set up for the IRM. We're nicely set up on the 64 for the exit. 66 on my Lucid for the exit, 64 for the IRM. Come on. It's not monthly, it's just a one-time fee. Thank you, chat, Crib. Thank you, buddy. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you on board. We've been profitable today, hitting the target on the Ticktick trader, plus hitting the target on our 50k IRM. Let's go with this trade. Looks decent for the moment. But the price action is acting weird. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. The price action is acting weird for the moment. Stop loss is going to be over here below the structure as well. Oh, if you're not able to clear, let me quickly verify that. If you're not able to clear, it's a monthly fee. I thought you mean you're asking in case you're pretty much passing your evaluation. If you're not passing, and if it takes more than 30 days to pass your evaluation, then you have to pay another month of evaluation. And once you become funded, it's over. It's not under subscription, right? So only if the evaluation takes you more than 30 days. I'm going for the liquidity grab process here. We've got a nice bounce, and we're looking for a continuation to take the liquidity out into this yellow line level. That's a pivot point, 266, 270s. I like to see that one attacked. Right, so we are having support higher low. The structure is pushing after a pretty strong retracement. So we can go for a continuation here. Look at the wicks. We could now, with all the rejections coming through from the 260s so far, it is not really that easy from the way it looks like. It's hard to find acceptance about 260s. We need a powerful movement. One-time payment for Lucid evaluations. One time. It says on the site. One-time payment. Even the evaluation is one time. Nah, this is not looking good, guys. I'm out here
Order
a little
filled.
earlier. 686 accepted a loss. And I'll take the loss here as well. 765. It's a impossible to trade price action model. Taking a temporary loss there, not an issue. Looks like we have not received acceptance for a continuation above 260s. I mean, most of the people will pass their evaluation in less than 30 days, guys. Yes, with Lucid, no monthly subscription. No monthly subscription on the Lucid Flex. Well, most of the people go with a Lucid Flex 50K and 150K. Those are the most reliable options out there. Think about no consistency unfunded and no payout target unfunded, guys, for the Lucid. Yeah. No consistency, $78, no activation fee, no daily loss. You're going to pass your account in 2 days if you want in Lucid. And even when it comes down to the IRM, I don't think people, most of the people, let's put it this way, maybe there's some people that need more than 30 days to pass their challenge. But most of the people, I think, will go below 30 days. Well, the 25 Flex is not having that much of a drawdown. It's just $1,000 drawdown. And the gap between the price, let's just put it this way, guys. So $60 for the 25K Flex. 1,000 drawdown, you get $60. For another 1,000, so it doubles the drawdown, you only pay $18. You don't pay double the price. You only pay $18 for double drawdown, right? So that's why if you enjoy accounts below $100, then the 78 bucks 50k is a great choice. And then if you're able to spend 189 on 150k, obviously 6% target, and you have such an account on funded stage without consistency and without payout target. To have this 150k funded is so valuable, and then to have 5 150k funded is extremely valuable, guys. Out of any of this, if you get to the funded stage with a Lucid Flex, is extremely valuable, because you don't have consistency and you don't have a payout target, and that's pretty much insane. Lucid Flex, you mean, maybe? Yes, from the Lucid Flex, once you become funded, you can always cash out after 5 days, 50% of your balance, up to the limit. Exactly. Well, for most of the people, from my experience, like 99.9%, 30 days of evaluation is enough. Yeah. End of the day drawdown. Yes. It's a really weird price action here, guys. Look at that. Hardly tradable, honestly. Hardly tradable. Make sure to also join our Discord, especially for those of you that are fresh, that are new. Join our Discord. That's the place our community is gathering, and of course to be able to participate in the giveaway. Let me quickly look into that one. 50 Lucid Flex payouts. Yeah, 50% profit up to 2,000. So, and the 2,000 is 90 to 10, so it's 1,800 net. If you get 1,800 net payout for something that's costing you $78, let's just do the math. 1,800 divided to 78, right? It's 23 times on the 50k. 23 times. Like, there's so much gap for you even to have some losses of those accounts. And for you to take 2,000 out, 1,800 at the end of the day, you got to do 4,000. No consistency. But like I said, it's a model that once you are funded, it's so valuable that those accounts have no consistency, no payout target. Just 5 days of minimum profit each day, depending on the account. For example, the 50k is 5 days of minimum 150 bucks each. I think 1,800 is great, guys, at, you know, $78. I'm aware with Josh. I did have a chat with Josh quite a few months ago. Yet. That 50% is kind of telling you, if you're having, for example, just 1,000 profit and you'd like to cash out 500, you're allowed to do it. And some people will certainly do it because they only paid 78 for the account and they take out 500. Some people are happy with that one, guys. Right? So if they have 5 accounts, 500, it's 2,500. And you paid, what? Close to 400 bucks. If you're happy with that, you take it out and you build from there, you scale from there. It depends on your desires. It depends on your taste. It depends on your needs. Lucid Flex is so flexible that it allows you to take your cash out at any time. It pumps again. It pumps again. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Yeah. Lucid Flex is a major deal, guys. Available till 3rd of December at the current prices. Well, Lucid Flex is top-notch. Scramble coupon code gives you the best out there. 78 bucks for the 50k, 189 for the instant funded. Sorry, not instant funded, but 150k flex. Look at this price action. We've been in a nice, lovely long. I told you guys earlier, the market needs to get there and exactly where I've encircled. But first, they had to dip this miserably for the 10th time into the same wick level. Look at that one. It just went to my target, to the green line. Yeah, they had to do another dip by wicking into 240s. Like we have here, 7 wicks into 240s. Look at that. You can do rise. You can do rise as a payout and you take it through crypto from there. Yeah, you can do rise and then you can take it through crypto from there. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, doing giveaways daily. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video and sign up for the giveaways. There you go. %100%. 100%. Yeah, so there is a lot behind the flex accounts. Like I said, when you got no consistency, you can have. If we look right now into my report, let's just do a simple math. If this 50k account would have been on Lucid Flex that we have here on IRM, look at that. We have 5 days here. We already 5 days. All the 5 days are at least 150 bucks. So at this point, I would have been able to cash out. At this point, I would have been able to cash out. If this would have been on a Lucid Flex. And it's 1,775 in the balance, 1,775. If I can take out 50% of that, I'll get what? Close to $900 if I want to cash out right now. If I don't, simply, I can just trade tomorrow for a day of 1,000 and take out more. Whatever single day you're making, 50% of that is possible to be taken out. It's just weird price action out here. I mean, you can't expect to take out $10,000 when it's costing you $78. You don't need to do that much money if you're not able to take it out, right? So think about it. Once you cash out on Lucid Flex 50%, what is left in the account is the question. Well, the account is going to be left whatever amount of money remains mathematically in the account after you take out that 50%. Right? Your max loss is going to be initial balance plus $100. That's going to be your max loss. Initial balance plus $100. So 50,100. That's why you want to take some money out when you have a little cushion out there if you still want to continue with those accounts. Or if you don't want to continue, then you can just simply buy new ones. It's a mathematical game. I certainly do not think you can expect to take out $10,000 from a round, but you can actually take out $10,000 by having 5 accounts of 50k on Lucid Flex, and you take 1,800 from each. That's $9 grand, and you paid 78 on each. Think about it. You take out 9k. Exactly. It stays in your balance. It's not wiped out. It stays in your balance. For example, you bring your account to 54, you take out 2,000, you remain with 52. Your max loss is going to be $50 plus $100. Original balance plus $100 is on any account size. So the time you do your first payout, your max loss is going to your original balance plus $100. Got the lovely rejection we had out here. Shorting the markets.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a little short. We have a whole lot of the wicks to the upside. 253 is the exit for my IRM.
Order filled.
Come on, just bring it below 58 so I can go break even. Below 58. Sink it. I'm going break even on my Lucid. 150k direct funded, instant funded. And I'm also going to go break even on my IRM as well.
Order filled.
Break even touched. Break even touched here. We got to be tight there. You know what's the risk? The risk is with all the wicks established, the reaction should be quite prompt to the downside. If it's creating wicks in a such market situation to the upside, one after the other, and it's not continuing to the downside, it's a risk of retouching those levels. So I don't want to be part of that. That's why I put my break even. You know for how many times the market is going back into the wicks. That is shown as prior rejection and refusal of acceptance, but then it's not continuing. It just pretty much ranges and stays flat. That sign is hunting for another retouch of the wicks, and I don't like that. Welcome guys, great to see you. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. Like the video everyone, come on. There's one thing that I wanted to tell you. A lot of the people basically go for the instant funded on the IRM because you don't have a payout target. You have $150 minimum days. $150, 10 days of $150 each, and that's it. And with my code, you have 90% more than they are giving you. So it's instead of $40, it's $50. And that is, sorry, 50%. 50% from the 900 is 450. It's $90 discount on each. If you do the math, you're able to take out from 3 accounts 6,750, something like that. That's a big deal. Gotta take my time. Do we have a higher low here with a continuation? Really questionable. Tap on futures is beautiful because they just added Trade Evade and Ninja Trader, right? So they introduced Trade Evade, Ninja Trader, and TradingView. It's a long-term business model, certainly. Instant SIM funded right now is Scramble coupon code $399, right? Instant FUD 150k 399, but the drawdown is 4,500 and you gotta do 6%, max 3 accounts. The cheapest out here that people also enjoy, it's the Sim Pro, 309 only, 150k. But the thing is, the drawdown model is intraday, right? The drawdown model is intraday. Max 5 accounts. Yeah, a pretty decent payout. It's around 3,000 or 2,700. Pretty good payout. Like 10 times. Good morning. That's a decent rejection once again coming through here. Opening
Order
my
filled.
short.
Order filled.
Lucid. IRM as well.
Order filled.
I have a nice invalidation point here. If it continues climbing. But there is that downside risk right next to the corner. With this price action, we didn't have a sustainable trend so far. Yes, 10 seconds rule, which means you shouldn't abuse. You should try to hold your trades for at least 10 seconds. You should not abuse, basically, on the IRM.
Order filled.
This is the level we've not been finding acceptance earlier. If it continues running, I'll have to get out.
Order filled.
We grab the high. Let's see what's the reaction. Have to put a stop loss above. Have to put a stop loss there.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got touched. Have to put a stop loss over here as well. They pushed way higher. Did expected basically a form of a double top here. He got touch me. We're down like $1,000 here from the original balance. Let's see how we move this one forward. With a lot of back and forth. There's a form of trend here established afterwards. That's still sustained. Not the best. Certainly not that it has to recover. It can recover, but when it has or it can, it is a major difference. We got our point today on the Ticktick, which is great because we've got 4 points, 3 more needed, and we take the $10,000 payout. It's an interesting level here. Just have to wait some more. We have the 200 EMA sitting on 294, but the daily volume weighted is around 305. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Everyone, make sure to like the video, otherwise you cannot participate in the giveaway. That's the giveaway link there. We're sharing 3 giveaways, $125,000 in prop firm accounts. Today, it's going to happen. A little later, after the New York market open, so in about 25-30 minutes. But before you can get started, make sure to like the video. We gotta bring the likes up to 160, 170. IRM promotion ends today. IRM Black Friday promotion ends today. It's still having strength for the moment. Right, so we didn't brought the markets above 285 and then just created a significant wick all the way down to 275. Right, if the wick is so tiny and it holds the ability to hold, it's still powerful. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Cheers, everyone. Hope you enjoy your day. 200 EMA located here. But I'd like to wait for the markets to go a little higher. And even in that scenario, shorting is not easy. "15 minutes and the market opens." Here's our Discord. You gotta be part of our Discord community to participate in the giveaways. Good morning, welcome guys, great to see you on board. You gotta join our Discord community. Bring it up, guys. 300, 305, 306. We got a little short from there, some limit orders. Our 150k instant funded here on the IRM are not having too much cushion left, just about $800. Morning, guys. We did hit some targets today, but not on the big sized accounts. 200 EMA rejection confirmed. Morning, great to see you. We got some limit buys. Limit buys over here as well. Has been filled up. Nothing on Project X
Order
for the moment.
filled.
Yeah, 10 contracts. Let's see if there is any initial reaction on that. We'll have to cut it away quite soon. Let's go, guys. $278 for my exit. 78, 79. Below the 80s, that's what I'd like to touch here. If I get that, I'm fully satisfied. Let's go. Five minutes to relax.
Order filled.
We got stopped out. 3,700 is the stop loss for the day. Nah. It broke down once again. Look at a terrible retracement. Nothing, no reaction on that 67.70s. I want to use a stop loss here as well, below the wick we just made. Yeah. Hmm. 40 points down, no reaction there. We had a pretty decent demand level. 267.70s, nothing has been given. We got to our daily loss. This is looking a little bit different here if we get it. Look at that retracement on the 5-minute, guys. It's just nuts. $35 points. Pretty sick price section today. We got our stop loss there. Nah. Yeah, we got stopped out there. They wiped me out over here as well. Wow. What a price action. Lovely, guys. Look at that. That was pretty tough. Let's set up the quant tower for trading. We got back to another level on Savius, for example. This is another strong support level.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Tap on futures, our Ignite account. Let's find it out if it holds. This is an interesting level. I gotta go break even pretty quickly. It's not been working out too good lately with our 150k accounts today. Yeah, reshorting is not a bad idea, certainly. Look at that, 5-minute algo. Right before the opening, this is what it got us. Totally denying the whole thing, bump and dump. Gotta get out of the straight as well. Nothing you can do about it. Putting the stop right below. Interesting buying pressure got in. That's lovely.
Order filled.
Added one more contract here. G65 on the exit for us.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Our stop loss here, however, is on $1,000. We already have a global stop loss at 1,000. No reaction so far. It is less than 3 minutes to go, guys, and the market opens. What's up, buddy? What's up? How's it going? Trying to hit that target on 63. Might be able to do it. We might be able to do it, guys. Wouldn't be a big deal. Let me put a stop break even. Keep pressing. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful. No. No. We touched the break even first. Look at that. It's 26 bucks. We touched the break even first. They just wicked into my break even first and then pumped back. This is how the markets are today, guys. It's just wild. Oh my god. It's just wild, guys. Can you believe that? They just whacked into my stop loss first. You know, I thought the same. We got to take profit, but our take profit was lower than it went to the upside. The thing is, it went actually to the downside first. Big games today. Everyone make sure to like the video, sign up for the giveaways. You gotta like the video, guys, come on. Could be just Project X playing games. It's the last day for IRM Black Friday promotions. For their evaluation and instant funded. Last day out there. I mean, you have to move the stop loss quickly with these conditions. Look at that. We had a significant size. You don't know when the markets are doing another 10 points down out of the blue. It's not really that sustainable. That's why we had 10 seconds and the market opens. It's not going to be easy. There you go. 5 seconds, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Be careful. And here you go. We got you with the opening. We got you with the opening. It's going to the upside for the moment.
Order filled.
I'm longing a single contract. I think it's still gonna go. At least to the daily volume weighted average price into the 300s. VWAP. At least touching that.
Order filled.
Just added more to this.
Order filled.
We got stopped out on that. Fully dropped. 994 fully dropped. So we had a lot of the good trading on this account. Then had a loss for a while. Then had a loss for 7 days here. But even this way, since 11th of November, we only had 2 losses since 11th. Could have been even better. Yep. Pushing below that liquidity there. It's gonna get above the 300s.
Order filled.
Taking my long. 285 with the exit. Come on, break even on the stop loss. gonna get about 300s. I just don't need that much of a
Order
profit.
filled.
Good. We touched the target 542. Time to secure some profits here. We're continuing with the next account as well.
Order
I
filled.
think we're continuing, like I said, above 300s. Relonging it on a new account. It's not a new account, it's a different account actually.
Order filled.
Adding more to this. I'll accept a loss there on 360. If it reverses from here, I'll take that loss. If it refuses acceptance above. Let's go, come on. Just a
Order
little
filled.
more. The target has been touched here, guys. Yeah, we went above the 300. Certainly what I expected. 305. We went into that daily VWAP. Certainly what I expected. It was a good profit, right? Tracy, log into your dashboard, and you have on the right side of your dashboard next to your account your credentials for Quantower. You'll need to select on Quantower the connection that's named DXFeed Savius. DXFeed Savius, that's the connection name on Quantower. Welcome guys, great to see you on board. How you doing? We do start our giveaway soon. Nicely got to some of the targets. Could have been better on those 150k accounts today. Certainly not my bread and butter, what we had out there. On our IRM 150k, we had a big loss. Our daily loss on 150k Lucid got into trouble, 3,700. So we had a big day on Friday. Big day on Friday, 1,800 profit. And then today we had a big loss there. Gotta limit my losses a bit tighter on this ones. Welcome guys, great to see you. Keep in mind the IRM promotion for the Black Friday ends basically today. You can load up as many accounts as you want. You can stack up the accounts. You can bring them funded or you can get the instant funded. You can have them pause as well. They allow you a lot of the things. BTC is trying to move up, but again, it's sitting under the waters. Having a very difficult time. And there is a long way to go, guys, till the daily opening. A long way to go. 482 on that. Good job, Master Trader. Good job out there. I know you've been having a great time. Load up the accounts right now with Black Friday promotions. Yep, we're doing the giveaway soon. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Not bad. Not bad. AC, not bad. I don't have experience with both. I do see Volumetrica extremely functional and nicely delivering on that. So pretty happy about Volumetrica for the moment, guys. Testing out along here on this Ignite account. See if the level we had here for initial reaction gives some delivery. And I'm putting my stop loss. I gotta put a stop loss there in case the market nicely wants to free fall. Let's go, guys. About to hit another target. I'm not sure if it has such volumes like Volumetrica tool. I think Volumetrica has that advantage with that specific tools.
Order filled.
Look at a crazy price action. Stop loss got triggered here. Probably going back to today's low, 193. Or we might front run the whole thing. Let's not forget about the possibilities for the market to front run.
Order filled.
I'm shorting 2 contracts out here. 193. Our daily loss here is at 1,000. It's not an issue. 1,500. What a strong reaction out there. Look at that. Ho ho. The whole thing has been reversed.
Order filled.
The whole thing has been reversed. Yeah, look at that. The whole thing. Yeah, very difficult today, guys. It's just the beginning of the stream. Was nice and smooth, touching the targets. Ticktick Trader, we got a target on 5 accounts. We also touched the target for the 5th day on our 50k account on the IRM. But then 2 accounts here were hitting profit with the Ignite on the 50k. 2 got stopped out. Certainly not the best numbers out there, what we had today. 100% confirm that to you. Could have been much better than what I see. But, you know. Certainly. Time to move over to the... Let me see how many people have signed up for the giveaway. Let me see that one. Still let you go, guys, for a couple of sign-ups. We are 200 guys out there. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Front running your today's low by just wicking, you know, very interesting, guys. Look at that, how we got into this situation. And then completely reversed from there. 90 points. Without touching that daily low. Imagine how many people shorted at this levels, including me, for a nice liquidity take. And it didn't happen. They just completely reversed from that nasty level. Really powerful move. Look at that. Not that tradable. No matter how simple it looks. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Yep. Another rejection out there. Not that simple. It's not that simple. We gotta wait a little more till some more people catch up, right? Make sure to like. Yep. Careful, guys, with the numbers out there. Everyone, make sure to like the video. You gotta wait for something way more clear instead of 100-point price action movements in the 5-minute. You don't need that. You don't need 100 points in 5 minutes. Not tradable. Alright guys, so it's time to wrap up the things for today. It was a decent day, especially at the beginning it was great, but then of course certainly below the expectations I had. Now of course at the same time setting up expectations in such market conditions is not that reliable. Correct 2 minutes before the trades, 2 minutes before the news, 2 minutes after, 4 minutes window. Keep yourself away. Right, so it's time to organize the first giveaway. Time to make some fun. Have some fun. How to join, guys? Let's talk about it. Like the video, everyone. You gotta like the video to be able to participate. The next thing is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And the third thing is to join my Discord. I'll give you 1 minute, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, streaming from Monday to Friday, and join my Discord. Highest discounts will always be around the coupon code SCREMBO. And the first giveaway is going to be $25,000. Top 1 futures end of the day instant funded. That's going to be the first giveaway. $25,000. Top 1 futures end of the day instant funded. Keep in mind, IRM is running their last day of Black Friday today. Last day. Right? Let me just get the numbers. Alright guys, so you can start right now. Guess the number between 0 and 9. Good luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Guess the number between 0 and 9. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord as well. Good luck, guys. It was not the best day in trading for me. First part of the day was decent. Closing out for the Ticktick nicely. But it was pretty slow out there on Lucid and the IRM big accounts. Gotta set up my Lucid Flex on Quantower. I got Lucid Flex accounts, 150k, and from tomorrow we are going to trade them. Let's go. First giveaway for today, we have 2 more. $25,000 instant funded Tap 1 futures. Keep in mind, Tap 1 futures got Tradeovate, Ninja, and TradingView as well right now. Stop it. No more. That's it, guys. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle this, and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you so much. Yes, the form as well. But the form is something you should have already signed up to this minute. You should have already signed up to this limit. Is that 777 going to be? Well, of course, because we're not going to stop on 0. Certainly, we've got you with the number 7, the lucky 7 out there. Congratulations for the winners. That's a 700%, guys. That's a number 700% with the Nasdaq on to the 350s. Congratulations for the winners. That's a number 7. And we got you out here with the ducks. We've got you out here with the ducks. Number 7 on the winners. Look at that. 360s on Nasdaq. Badger is nicely sending out the list. Great community members. Thank you so much, Badger, for doing a great job. 27 winners out there competing for 30 seconds on this Tap 1 Futures $25,000 account. Come on, guys. I wish you best of luck, everyone. Lucky 7, it always delivers that. 224 people watching. Make sure to like the video, guys, that have joined. And you got to be on the form. If you're not on the form, we're going to pass you to the next winner. Glory be the king. Are you going to be the winner today? Glory be the king with a number 20 there. There you go. Congratulations, Glory be the king. Hey, hey. Glory. Let's find it out. Let's find it out right now. If you have completed a form. All right, so Glory. Are you here? Glory be the king. Yes, you are here. Congratulations. Good job. The form that's located in the pin post and in our Discord community. The giveaways form you got to complete, guys. Thank you so much. Glory be the king. Congratulations. Best of luck. Nice. Moving to the next giveaway. We're changing the numbers. The second giveaway is going to be a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. 50 grand Flex. Second giveaway, guys. Between 0 and 3. Best of luck, guys. Between 0 and 3. Come on. Guess the number. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. 50 grand Lucid Flex account. So you can flex your muscles and win thousands and thousands. This is having a payout of 1,800. Think about. This is having a payout of $1,800. That's what we're sharing. No activation fee, no additional cost. Daily giveaways, which is what we're organizing. Thank you so much, guys. Stop right there. No more guesses. That's it. No more guesses. That's it, guys. We're going to shuffle this a few times. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. This is the second giveaway. We're going to have one more. Hope you were on time. For a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. What do we have out here? It's going to be a 0 or the number 3. I think it's going to be that green 0. I think it's going to be that green 0, guys. Glory be the King is the winner of the first. And that's the number 3 we've stopped here. Congratulations for the winners. Look at that. The brake pedal did work nicely. Congrats for the number 3. There you go. Lucid Flex accounts Glory be the King was the first winner of our top 1 futures 25,000 end of the day instant funded. And now, looking for discovering the next names on board. 82, look at that. Oh my gosh. All the guys out here are going with that huge number. Number 3. 1 minute competition time. Shuffle. And you're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. That's going to be pretty hot. $50,000 on the Flex account. The next spin is going to involve only 2 numbers. Not just the number 2, but actually only 2 numbers. So we're giving people a good chance to qualify. The next giveaway is going to be the IRM $50,000. Let's go. Palooka. How many times have you seen Palooka dominating, guys, and winning? Papaleria and Palooka, look at that. Palooka got stopped out. Somebody's gonna... Look at that. Oh, we just got you stopped out. We got a book. There you go, look at the books. We got a books to winning. Congratulations, books. Hey. But now it's time to see if you have signed up. Are you here? Yes, congratulations. It's right here on board with us. $50,000 Flex account. Good job. Look at that one. Good job. Time for the third giveaway. The third giveaway is only going to involve 2 different numbers. $50,000 IRM account. Best of luck. You can start right now. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We got more than 200 people watching, and it's 188 likes. And there's around 230 people that have joined the giveaway. Between 7 and 8, guess the number. $360s on the Nasdaq. It's not looking bad. Stop right there with the guesses. No more. No more. It's over. And here we are. Best of luck, everyone. 2 numbers, 50% chance, like the roulette. If you're playing on the colors, you got that 0 out there at the roulette, which is messing up the odds. We don't have a 0 here. We should put a 0, right? Between the 7 and 8, we should put about 2 or 3 zeros out there. I think that's gonna be... Will that stop on the red? What do you guys think about? No, that's gonna be the number 8. Congratulations for the winners. Look at that. It's just the number 8. Finally, we got you. We didn't have a double 7 coming through. We already had it on the first giveaway today. So no more back-to-back winners in the session. But we've got this number 8. Congratulations for the winners. Thank you so much, guys. So, this is a $50,000 IRM account. We've got 106 winners, and that's wild. 106 winners. Which means you're not only going to have a single race. we're gonna take the first 2 ranked, which are also part of our form, and then allow the first 2 to compete in a second round of duck race between each other. You guys will do 1 minute, but we'll take the first 2 and have them on board for another round of duck race. We're always going to do this when we have more than 100 winners. Let's go, guys. Come on. Best of luck. The first 2 will qualify for a next round of swimming, where they are going to swim for about 30 seconds. This is a $50,000 IRM account. Keep in mind, everyone, IRM is closing out today on Black Friday promotion. You can load up as many accounts as you want and pause them. Papaleria is dominating, but I don't think he's gonna win because we have the pedal right below the desk and we're stopping him out. Look at that. Boom. There you go. Goodbye. See you next time. Hey. Nishukla. There you go. Vittorio and Nishukla. We're gonna verify if you guys are on the list. If not, we're gonna take the next ones out there. So, Nishi, are you here? No, you're not here. I think I wrote that correctly, right? It's correct. You're not here. You're not here. Vittorio with a double T. Yes, Vittorio is here. Congratulations, Vittorio is here. But now, it's time to see the third. City Crafty. City, you're not here. City Crafty is not here. So did you sign up, Nishi? Let's verify it once again. Let's just verify this. No response found. No, you're not on the list, buddy. We can refresh this, but it doesn't matter. But we can do the refresh thing. If you guys put a different name, we're not able to find you. Right? No response found. You need to have this name. If you don't have this name, we're not able to find you. Right? So the rules are to put your YouTube username. I can copy your YouTube username from the chat and have it exactly. It's a copy paste from your YouTube. You got to have exactly the name. Right? So if you don't have exactly the name, it's a problem. City Crafty. You're also missing it. So let me see who was the next winner. City Crafty is missing. Let me look into the replay of the next one. The next one was Sire Mamat. Sire Mamat. There you go. Congratulations. Right? So we got Vittorio and Sire Mamat. They're going to compete. Vittorio There you go. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. Best of luck, guys. $50,000 IRM account. $30 seconds. Who's gonna win? Think about it. Who's gonna win out there? 5 seconds. Sire Mamat and Vittorio. We got you, Sire Mamat. There you go. Hey, congratulations. Let's go. Good job, Sire. Look at that one. $50,000 IRM account. Congratulations for that one. Good job. Good job, fellas. Thank you so much, guys. 360s on the Nasdaq. It's not looking that terrible. There's other assets looking way worse. Way worse. Look at Nvidia. Having a great time from the lows. 3% already up today. It's going to go for the gap here all the way up to the 180s. Look at that, guys. Once again, thank you so much for joining. Have a lovely time out there. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord. Scramble coupon code IRM ends their Black Friday today. Thank you once again, guys. Our AC made $73,000 today. Profit. Great start of month. Certainly, AC, there you go. 73 grand profit. Your consistency is going to have a great time with that. Sure. You're going to get a timeout. You're going to get a timeout. There you go. You're out. Enjoy, guys. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day. Looking forward to it. You claim by dropping me a direct message. Have a lovely day, guys. Looking forward to it.